Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this blog. Chapter 30. Artedasha Mahamoliya Adhyaya. The 10 great vessels arising from heart and aspects of healthy life. Part 3. 8 branches of Ayurveda. Tasya Ayurvedasya Angani Ashtau. Tatyada Kai Chikitsa Shalakyam Shalya Abuhartugam Vishagara Vairodhiga Prashamanam Bhudavidya Kaumara Bhrityagam Rasayanam Vajikaranam iti. Ayurveda has 8 branches which Kai Chikitsa internal medicine, Shalakyam science of disease specific to supraclavicular region, Shalya surgery, Vishagara Vairodhiga Prashamanam, toxicology, Bhudavidya psychiatry, Kaumara Bhrityam, pediatrics, Rasayanam science of rejuvenation, and Vajikarana science of sexual medicine. Learners of Ayurveda and their objectives. Sa cha adhyatavyo Brahmana Rajanya Vaishyo Tatra Anugrahartam Pranenam Brahmanaihi Arakshartam Rajanyaihi Vrityartam Vaishyehi. Ayurveda should be studied by Brahmana, kings and Vaishya or traders. Samanyato va dharmartha kama parigrahartam sarvehi. In general, Ayurveda can be studied by all for parigrahartam, the attainment of dharma, righteousness, artha, wealth, and kama, desire. Learners of Ayurveda and their objective. Brahmana for pranina tatra anugrahartam. Rajanya arakshartam. Vaishya vrityartam. Samanyado dharma artha kama parigrahartam sarvehi. तत्र यदि अध्यात्मविधां धर्मपथस्थानां धर्मप्रकाशकानां वा मातृपितृभ्रातृ बन्धुगुरुजनस्य वा विकारप्रशमने प्रयत्नवान् भवति. Dharma, righteousness can be attained by treating spiritual scholars who participate, practice and propagate righteousness as a mother, pitra father, brother, friend or gurujana superior. यच्च आयुर्वेदोक्तम् अध्यात्मम् अनुध्यायति वेदयति अनुविधीयते वा सो अस्य परो धर्मः. Dharma, righteousness, can also be achieved by studying and practicing spiritual knowledge contained in Ayurveda. या पुनरीश्वराणां वसुमतां वा स काशात् सुख उपहार निमित्ता भवति यथा अर्थ अप्ति आरक्षणं च. One can earn wealth and protection by treating kings and other wealthy individuals. Yacha swaparigrahidanam pranenam adhuryat araksha so asya artha. The practitioner of Ayurveda can also protect his subordinates and servants by his practice. Yet punarasya vidvad grahanayasyaha sharanyatvam cha yacha sammana susrusha Yacheshtana Vishayanam Arogyamadatte so Asya Kamaha. He can fulfill his desire by gaining respect from learned people for his abilities to protect others, by reputation, and by keeping his beloved one like his spouse free from disease. Idi Yada Prashna Muktam Asheshena. Thus all the queries are answered in their entirety. 8 segments to be learned in Ayurveda. Ada Vishagadida Eva Vishaja Prashtavyo Ashtavidam Bhavati. A physician should ask other physician 8 questions to learn Ayurveda. Tandram, Tandrartha, Sthanam Sthanarthan, Adhyayam Adhyayarthan, Prashnam Prashnartham Chedi. Tandram classical text, Tandrartha object of text, Sthanam section, Sthanartha object of section, Adhyayam chapter, Adhyayartha object of chapter, Prashnam question, Prashnartha object of query raised. Prishtena chaidad vaktavyam asheshena vakyasho vakyarthasho arthavayavaschedi. Along these lines, the query should be dealt by quoting the text, interpreting it, and explanation of its various aspects. So, each segment to be learned in Ayurveda are Tantram, classical text, Tantrartha, object of text, Sthanam, section, Sthanartha, object of section, Adhyayam, chapter, Adhyayartha, object of chapter, Prashnam, question, Prashnartham, object of query raised. Classical text Tantram and its object Tantrartha. Tatra Ayurvedaha Shaka Vidya Sutra Jnanam Shastram Lekshanam Tantram idi Anarthandharam. Shaka Vidya Sutra Jnana Shastra Lekshana Tantra are synonyms of Ayurveda. Tantrarthaha Punaha Swalekshanaihi Upadishtaha. Purpose of this science has been explained in its definition. Sa cha arthaha prakaranaihi विभाव्यमानो भूय एव शरीरवृत्ति हेतु व्याधि कर्म कार्य काल कर्तृकरण विधि विनिश्चयात् दश प्रकारणः तानि च प्रकरणानि केवलेन उपदेक्ष्यन्ते तन्त्रेण. Various topics discussed in this science are Sharira, anatomy, physiology, Vritti, dietetics, Hetu, etiology, Vyadi, disease, Karma, treatment for attainment of health, Karya, chronobiology, Kala, Kartra, physician, Karana, therapy, and Vidhi, procedure. These are the 10 aspects that will be explained in this treatise. So, Dasha Prakaranas are Sharira, Vritti, Hetu, Vyadi, Karma, Karya, Kala, Kartra, Karana, Vidhi. Sections and their objects. Sthana and Sthanartha. Tantrasya asya ashtav sthanani. Tadhyada. Sloka, Nidhana, Vimana, Sharira, Indriya, Chikitsida. Kalpasiddhi sthanani. Tatra trimshat adhyayakam sloka sthanam. Ashta adhyayakani nidhana vimana sharira sthani. Dvadashagam indriyanam. Trimshaga chikitsidhanam. Dvadashage kalpasiddhi sthane bhavadaha. So the following are the 8 sections that form Charaka Samhita. Slogasthana or Sutrasthana or section on general principles having 30 chapter. Nidhanasthana or section on diagnosis of disease having 8 chapter. Vimanasthana section on specific determination of drug etc. having 8 chapter. Sharirasthana or section on anatomy including embryology having 8 chapter. Indriyasthana section on prognostic sign having 12 chapter. Chikitsasthana section of therapeutics having 30 chapter, Kalpasthana or section on pharmaceutical having 12 chapter, and Siddhisthana or section on successful administration of Panchakarma having 12 chapters. In brief, 8 section that form Charaka Samhita, Sloka Sutrasthana, section on general principle, 30 chapter, Nidhanasthana, section on diagnosis of disease, 8 chapter, Vimanasthana, section on specific determination of drug, etc., 8 chapter, Sharirasthana, section on anatomy, including embryology, 8 chapter, Indriyasthana, section on prognostic sign, 12 chapter, Chikitsasthana, section on therapeutics, 30 chapter, Kalpasthana, section of pharmaceutical, 12 chapter, Siddhisthana, section on successful administration of Panchakarma, 12 chapters. भवति च अत्र द्वे त्रिंशगे द्वादशगं त्रयं च त्रीणि अष्टकानि येषु समाप्तिरुक्ता. श्लोक औषध हृष्ट विकल्प सिद्धि निधानमान आश्रय सप्तगेषु. Thus it can be said that Sutra, Sloka, Chikitsa or Aushadha section have 30 chapter each. Indriya or Arishta, Kalpa or Vikalpa and Siddhi section have 12 chapter each. Nidhana, Vimana and Sharira or Asraya section have 8 chapters each. This is the entire treatise. So, Sutra or Sloka and Chikitsa Aushadha section 30 chapter each. Indriya, Arishta, Kalpa, Vikalpa and Siddhisthana 12 chapter each. Nidhana, Vimana and Sharira or Asraya section 8 chapters each. Name of Adhyayas, chapters. स्वे स्वे स्थाने यदा स्वं च स्थानार्थ उपदेक्ष्यते अध्यायशतं शृणु नाम क्रमागतम्. The objectives of the sequence of various sections within the treatise and the names of 120 chapter shall be described as follow. Sutra Sthana. The first is Beshadi Chadushka, tetrad on drugs. दीर्घञ्जीवो अपि अभामार्गतण्डुल आरग्वदादिकौ षड्विरेक आश्रयश्चेदि चतुष्को पेशज आश्रय. दीर्घञ्जीवदीय अध्याय quest for longevity. Second chapter Abhamarga Tanduliya Adhyaya Dehusked seed of Abhamarga. Aragvadiya Adhyaya Aragvada and 4 Shadvirechana Shadasradiya Adhyaya. 600 purgatives. Next, Swastha Vrittika, Tetrad on maintenance of positive health. Matra tasya ashidhiyau cha navegan dharanam tatha indriya upakramaschedi chatvaraha. Swasthya Vrittika. 5 Matra Shadhi Adhyaya measurement of eating. Tasya Shadhiya Adhyaya human dietetics. Naveghana Dharaniya Adhyaya non suppression of natural urges. And Indriya Upakramaniya Adhyaya description of sense organs. Third, Nirdesha Chadushka, tetrad and physician, medicine, etc. Guddagascha Chadushpado, Maham Tisraishanaha Tatha. Saha Vadha Kala Kheda, Vidya Nirdeshika, Buddha. So, Guddaga Chadushpada Adhyaya, minor chapter on 4 aspects of therapeutic. Maha Chadushpada Adhyaya, major chapter on 4 aspects of therapeutic. Tisraishaniya Adhyaya, 3 basic desire of life. Vada, Kala, Kaliya Adhyaya, Vada and its merits and demerits. Next is Kalpana Chadushka, tetrad on therapeutic measure. Snehana Svedana Adhyayau, Bau, Yascha Upakalpanaha, Chikitsa Prabhradasharva Sarva Eva Prakalpanaha. Sneha Adhyaya oleation, Sweda Adhyaya fermentation, Upakalpaniya Adhyaya requirement of a physician, Chikitsa Prabhradaya Adhyaya duties of a physician. Fifth, Roga Chadushka, tetrad on disease. Kiyandaha Shirasi Yascha, Trishoba Ashtodharadikau, Rogadhyayo, Mahaschaiva, Rogadhyaha Chadushtaya. Kiyanda Shirasiya Adhyaya, enumeration of disease related to head. Trishodhiya Adhyaya, 3 types of swelling. Ashtodhariya Adhyaya, 8 abdominal disease. Maharoga Adhyaya, major chapter on enumeration of disease. Yojana Chadushka, tetrad on therapeutics. Ashtam Nindadya, Sankhyadah Tadha, Lankana Tarpane, Vidishone Digaschaiva, Vyakhyadaha Tatra Yojana. Ashtam Nindadiya Adhyaya, 8 types of inappreciable person. Lankana Brahmaniya Adhyaya, lightning and nourishing therapy. Sandarpaniya Adhyaya, refreshing regimen. Vidishonadiya Adhyaya, blood purification and regimen. Next, Anna Chadushka, tetrad on dietetics. Yajya Purusha Sankhyaado, Bhadra Kapyanna Bhaniko, Vivida Ashida Pidhiyah Chatvaro, Anna Vinishchayaha. Yajya Purushaya Adhyaya, origin of man and his disease. Atreya Bhadrakapiya Adhyaya, discourse among Atreya Bhadrakapi, etc. Anna Pana Vidhi Adhyaya, properties of diets and drink. Vivida Ashida Pidhiya Adhyaya, various types of diet and drink. 8. Sangraha Adhyaya. Dasha Pranaya Tharika. Tadha. Arti Dasha Mahamulika. Dva Vedau. Prana Dehartau Proktau. Vaidya Gunasrayau. Finally, the last 2 chapters deal with Dasha Pranaya Dhaniya Adhyaya, 10 seeds of life force. Arti Dasha Mahamuliya Adhyaya, 10 vital roots in heart, respectively. औषध स्वस्थ निर्देश कल्पना रोगयोजनाः चतुष्काः षट्क्रमेण उक्ताः सप्तमः च अन्नपानिकः. Thus the Sutrasthana constitute of 7 tetrad, each containing 4 chapters on Aushadha drug, Swastha maintenance of positive health, Nirdesha physician including medicine etc. Kalpana therapeutic measure, Roga diseases, Yojana, some of the fundamental pillars of health management, medicine, physician, therapeutics, and dietetics are described consequently. द्वौ च अन्त्यौ सङ्ग्रह अध्याया विधि त्रिंशगमर्थवत् श्लोकस्थानं समुद्दिष्टं तन्त्रस्य अस्य शिरः शुभम् चतुष्काणां महार्थानां स्थाने अस्मिन् सङ्ग्रहः कृतः श्लोकार्थः सङ्ग्रहार्थश्च श्लोकस्थानमधः स्मृतम्. The first section as well as the entire treatise is summarized in the last 2 chapters. Thus, the first section of 30th chapter is very important. The Sutrasthana with its 30th chapter can be regarded as the brain of whole treatise and is also known as Loka section. So thank you for watching our video. Like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.